made. Today we are going head to head at another dollar store challenge.
Oh yes, we're gonna go to the dollar store now. We have $5 each. We're gonna pick one of the same item, and then we have the rest of the $5 to transform that item into something, hopefully, not hideous. Let's go.
Get going. You take care of Teddy. We'll be right back.
All right. Okay. Don't push me.
Go. All right, so we picked out our item that we have to use in our project. They have these cute little wired baskets. I think I could do something with that.
I hope I can do something with that. Okay, in true Andrew fashion, I have no clue what I'm gonna do. I told Dennis I might have an idea, but I actually don't. I think I'm gonna use a frame. I feel like it's pretty versatile and I'll be able to get a lot from it.
My God, look at this thing. It's a shoehorn.
I have no clue what I'm doing.
There's this one lady that's down every aisle I'm trying to be down, and it's like, ma'am, could you not? Oh, what are you getting? What are you getting? Right! We got all our stuff!
Yes!
All right, you ready for this?
Kinda.
All right, we're gonna do this in 20 minutes. Let's put 20 minutes on the clock.
Yes! Okay.
All right, here we go.
Do you know what you're making?
Yes, of course.
I never know what I'm making.
Of course, Andrew put me on the side away from the craft bookshelf. I smell sabotage here. No, you're not making another hanging basket, are you? I picked up these two things just because I feel like there's a lot of material to work with. You know, the canvas, they have the wood here, binder, I'm sure there's some type of cardboard or something under here. Gives you a lot of material for your buck.
All right, so I cut the bottom of this basket out. So I'm actually going to be covering most of the basket with this vellum style paper from this like dry erase pocket folder. And I'm hoping it's gonna look cute.
We'll see about that.
Gosh,
God, I'm all talking.
Down.
I don't even know how mine is gonna turn out here. We love these kind of challenges because typically we're always making something together. So this is, I get to be an individual here, which I love.
Wow.
I mean, wait, you're standing right there? How long have you been standing there?
Oh, don't cut that part. Oh, I see. Oh, I see it.
Mind your business. A tisket, a tasket, a white dollar store basket. So I'm trying to get this as perfectly lined up as possible because I'm actually putting the two baskets together to create something. So far it's not going too well.
Oh, it'll come out great, baby.
Please don't call me baby.
It'll come out great.
Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna start hot gluing these pieces of vellum. I'm hoping it's gonna work out.
This is a binder. I'm gonna be creating two little platforms, hopefully using whatever's inside here. Look at all this.
5 minutes.
What?
Are you
Oh my
kidding me?
gosh.
Oh my god.
Why? You should have given us a 10-minute something. Oh, yeah, yeah.
All right, I found this frame. I'm actually going to be using
Ooh. Oh gosh.
some
It
rub
just
and buff.
cost you
I'm
30
just gonna
seconds.
make this gold. I looked for a gold frame, really couldn't find one that fit. So I found these ponytail holders. I'm gonna cut them off the elastic and use the beads. I'm gonna use the white beads for legs.
A gerbil cage.
Yes, I'm gonna put you in it.
Don't do this.
Okay, we're at the 1 minute mark.
Ah!
Oh my gosh.
Ah.
I have to make some edits here. Last minute. All right, I had to get rid of my border. There's just no time. These hangers are great. They cut really well. I wanted to do a border here, but I just have no time.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So what it is it a trash can? Just kidding. This could be a
I
trash
still
can
don't understand
actually.
what that is. A mouse cage? I don't understand. All right, we laughed, we cried,
We yelled.
we bled, but this is what we came up with.
Yes, okay, explain yours. I mean,
All
that's
right,
really
mine
cute.
is a little hexagon shelf. I had to edit, so I wanted to do like a border or something with my hanger here, which actually cut really well. And it's
Oh.
really fuzzy and cute, but I had to edit because I just ran out of time. And I'm just gonna put this up and kind of style it. So fun little tchotchkes on it, maybe some rocks, crystals, a plant.
That's really cute. Great
Thank
job.
you.
Speaking of plants, I made a little mini greenhouse for
Oh,
indoors.
it's not a rat cage.
Let me put you right in it. Put our plants that need a little more moisture right in, and then I added a little thing that says water me Monday, Wednesday, and
that's
Saturday
cute.
because I can never remember to water plants.
What do you think? Let us know who's crafty like better. And let us know if you have any crafty creations from the dollar store that you want to share. Leave us a comment below, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you at the dollar store.
Bye!